Hi folks, I'm Rohin from VaraTech and welcome to this video on Internet of Things security. The term Internet of Things is very broad and it refers to anything that has an internet connection. So your laptops, your desktops, tablets, phones, as well as fridges, washing machines, Alexa, lights, thermostats, CCTV, and the list goes on. We are seeing an increase in smart devices not just in the home but also in the workplace. So we know that the usual stuff like your laptops and desktops can be secured against cyber threats using things like antivirus and firewalls and VPNs. But how are other connected devices secured and how secure are they? Where internet connected appliances are concerned, there are literally tens of thousands of bespoke software used to control that particular device. This causes a problem in that every company will have their own standards of security. There is also the issue of the device not having enough computing power or storage to be able to support any security software. So what can you do to reduce the risk of your devices being compromised? So 3 things you can do. Firstly, secure your network. Your devices have got to get internet connectivity from somewhere, and this will more than likely be from your network connection. You would then use software and hardware-based solutions such as antivirus software, whitelisting or blacklisting certain IP addresses, installing physical firewalls, and even changing the default passwords on the network's equipment. Secondly, speaking of default credentials, change the passwords on your IoT devices to make more secure ones. Most people forget to do this and is a very effective step in keeping them secure. And finally, keep software up to date. Companies will periodically release software updates, so be sure to install them as soon as you can, especially if it's a security update. And one more thing you can look for is whether the devices support and establish end-to-end encryption. If they don't, then it may well be better to avoid buying and using that device. Thanks for watching this video on how secure is Internet of Things. Please do like, share and tag someone in the comments who would find this video useful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.